Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about everything that I have planned for 2020. As you can probably tell, I'm at the storage unit right now. Got the Impala chilling out there. Got the Nissan, the bike, and my 370Z seats all covered up. So, we'll start with the motorcycle. The only thing I'm going to be doing to this year is replacing the headlight bulb. Right now I just have the stock headlight, but I'm going to replace that with either LED or HID for two reasons. One, it'll make it a lot brighter and it'll be safer for me to ride at night because people can actually see me. And two, it'll just look a lot better, complement the bike, because I do have an aftermarket taillight and all that. So that's basically it on the motorcycle. Everything else is basically the way I want it, so I'm not going to mess with it. Next up, we'll move on to the 370Z. So this year with the 370Z, all I'm really focusing on is the wheels. Basically all my wheels have curb rash on them. Now, I don't know if I did that or if it was just like that when I bought it, but I want to get that fixed. So I'll be taking it to a wheel repair shop. Once I get the wheels fixed, I'm going to be taking it to Platinum Automotive Wraps, where they will be ceramic proing the wheels. They're going to repaint my calipers because they're all chipped. They're going to ceramic pro the calipers as well, and then they're going to paint the rotors. So I'm really just trying to focus on the wheels because right now, in my opinion, that's the ugliest part of the car. So again, they'll be fixing the wheels at the wheel repair shop. Then I'm going to take it to Platinum Automotive Wraps to have them ceramic pro the wheels, and then repaint the calipers and ceramic pro those, and then paint the rotors black, because right now the rotors are all rusty. Probably can't see it because it's too dark in here, but the rotors are super rusty and they're brand new rotors, so I'm going to have them paint those black, so that'll look a lot better. So when it's all said and done, it should look much better. As far as the Impala goes, which you can see it's sitting there, I'm going to be fixing the front windshield because that is cracked quite badly. I can show you guys here. So we got one crack here, kind of hard to see on camera. And then over here on the other side, we have another crack. So I'm going to be getting that fixed. I also will be replacing the brakes, so I'll be doing the rotors and the pads because, yeah, they're really bad. Probably not safe to be driving with those. And as far as the Mustang, which currently isn't here, as you can see, I'm not going to be doing anything yet. It may change, who knows, maybe I'll find something to do, but as of right now, the Mustang will not be being touched at all. One other thing that I will be doing is I'm going to be upgrading my storage unit to a 10x26. So right now, I got a 10x20. Pretty big, but there's just not really that much room. If you look, I don't have much room here. Don't have much room there. And from the front of my car to the storage unit is only a few feet. So I will be upgrading to a 10x26 storage unit. So definitely look out for that video when I post that. Probably won't be until about May, because I gotta be able to move the vehicles and all that. But yeah, I will be upgrading to a 10x26, so I have quite a bit more room. And I will definitely make a video about that when I do that. So yeah, those are all my plans for 2020. Thanks for watching.